Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is a quick look at the new numbers. It is the first of the month, and what happens on the first of the month? We actually have numbers for the operating systems for the past month. And of course, taking a look here at Windows exclusively, we have a new winner. We now have Windows 10 as the most used Windows operating system right now. And it finally beat Windows 7 in usage. So these are numbers that come from StatCounter Global Stats. It's a they actually measure this by looking at visits to websites. So basically, it reflects really people that use devices that go on the internet. And remember that these numbers on Windows 10 might include Xbox and things like that if they've been used to go on the web, because they are Windows 10 machines, counted as Windows 10 machines when they are going there. So Windows 10 at 42.78, that's an increase of very close to 1%. 42.78. Last month it was 41.65, so it's very close to a full percent increase, which is a good increase for Windows 10. Probably counts in there some new PCs that were purchased in the holiday season, so that of course will have an effect. Always have a little bump in the numbers for the month of January after that. So the king of operating system for Windows is Windows 10 now. Windows 7 at 4186 here. Interesting to see that if we compare that to last month, it's almost stagnating. It's a very, very small decrease. Last month was 41.95. Now it's 41.86. Not really a big change, but slightly going down. Windows 8.1 at 8.72, that's down 0.5%, close to 0.5%. Windows XP 3.36, about a 1/4%. Windows 8, the original version, 2.44, is about 0.5%. And Windows Vista pretty much stagnant at 0.7, 0.74, 0.7, pretty much the same number basically. So kind of nice to see these numbers. I think Microsoft is probably going to be happy to know that Windows 10 is taking over Windows 7, but still Windows 7 are pretty good numbers right here for Windows 7 still. So also as we are now 2 years from Windows 7 retirement, it's still interesting to see that so many people are using Windows 7. But slowly, Windows 10 is, it's going to be interesting to see the numbers, the next number. We had the last number of 600 million, devices running Windows 10. It's going to be interesting to see as we are moving ahead this year, how much Windows 10 will gain and how much Windows 7 will lose. So these are the stats for January of 2018 for Windows operating systems. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. What do you think about Windows 10 now being #1? Do you think that it's good thing, bad thing? Please be polite. I do not accept comments that will not respect a minimum of quality.